everyone, this is Kang and today we're going to unbox the AG251FC monitor from AOC. So let's go, we're going to unbox this really big and heavy box. Right now. Go! We have a lot of cables here. HDMI. Then we have the DP. Next we have the USB Type B. This one is the DVI cable. And the VGA. Microphone and headphone jacks. Power adapter. The CD. I think this one is a backplate where you're going to put in the monitor to mount it on the wall. A wall mount. The first layer of the box when you open it. So I'm ready to remove this monitor outside this box. It takes a lot of power to do this. So let's do it. It's not moving. Okay. Wait. Be careful. Careful. Don't be shy to ask help when you need one. At last, we have this big and heavy part of the stand for the monitor to stand. Ta-da! Okay, now I need tools to assemble this one. Ta-da! There, so it's firmly done. There you go. There you go. Ta-da! So I unbox and assemble this AOC AG251 FZ. The AOC AG251FC is one of the top monitors AOC has to offer. It is a 25-inch 240Hz refresh rate monitor with 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. It supports adaptive sync technology that helps eliminate tearing, stuttering, and input lag. The AOC AG251FC is a WLED backlit monitor on a twisted dynamic panel with an aspect ratio of 16:9 and can support up to 1920 by 1080 resolution at 240 Hz. Going to the connections, it has a VGA port, DVI port, HDMI, HDMI MHL port, display port, and a dedicated slot for the AOC setting keypad. It also has a 3.5mm pass-through headphone and microphone jack and USB 3.0 slots. The AOC AG251FC has smooth adjustable panel height and tilt, so your viewing angle is optimized no matter how tall or short your table is. It also has a swivel base that lets you swivel the monitor from left to right without having to move the base. Also, this monitor features a headphone hook for more convenient headphone storage. The AGAN AG251FC features a keypad where you can choose a built-in preset whether you're up for some FPS, racing, or RTS games. Better yet, you can create your own personal preset and apply them with just a push of a button. The AGAN AG251FC uses a flicker-free technology that helps reduce flickering in order to give you a much comfortable gaming experience. This technology helps reduce eye fatigue and other probable damages to your eyes during prolonged gaming sessions. Aside from that, it also has an AOC low input lag mode, which when used rewires the monitor in order to favor raw response time in exchange of graphic quality. This monitor also has an AOC shadow control, which could either brighten dark areas or make it even darker without affecting the quality of your in-game setting. This is really useful, especially when you want to immerse your gaming experience into something more realistic. Well, that's my unboxing of this awesome AGAN AG251FC by AGAN. And I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and see you again next time. Bye!